Livestock exportation plays a crucial role in global agriculture, enabling countries to meet the demand for meat, dairy, and other animal products in regions where local production is insufficient. The ability to efficiently transport millions of sheep, pigs, and cows across vast distances is not only vital for maintaining food security, but also contributes significantly to the economies of exporting nations. As global trade continues to expand, the demand for safe and humane transportation methods has grown, leading to advancements in modern transport technology. Today, the exportation of livestock is made possible through sophisticated logistics, involving both aircraft and large ships. These methods ensure that animals can be transported quickly and safely across continents, minimizing stress and potential health risks. Aircraft are often used for quicker, more urgent deliveries, while ships are employed for larger-scale operations where cost efficiency is a priority. Both methods have their unique advantages and challenges, making the selection of the appropriate transport method a critical decision in the exportation process. The first step in successful livestock exportation is selecting the animals that are suitable for transport. This process involves careful consideration of several factors, including the animal's health, age, and breed. Only animals that meet specific health criteria are chosen to ensure they can withstand the stresses of transportation. Prior to export, each animal undergoes a series of health checks, vaccinations, and certifications to ensure they are free from diseases and fit for travel. These measures are not only crucial for the animal's welfare, but also to comply with the stringent health regulations of the importing country. Once the livestock has been selected, detailed logistics planning is essential to ensure a smooth export process. This involves coordinating with export companies, logistics providers, and veterinary services to manage every aspect of the journey. One of the key decisions in this phase is the selection of the transportation method, aircraft or ship. The choice depends on several factors, including the destination, the number of animals, and the urgency of the shipment. Aircraft are ideal for shorter, more time-sensitive journeys, offering faster transit times, while ships are preferred for transporting larger numbers of animals over longer distances due to their greater capacity and cost-effectiveness. International livestock exportation is subject to a complex web of regulations and legal requirements designed to protect animal welfare and prevent the spread of diseases. Exporters must ensure compliance with both the regulations of the exporting country and those of the destination country. This includes obtaining the necessary export licenses, health certificates, and import permits, as well as adhering to quarantine regulations. Documentation must be meticulously prepared and checked to avoid delays or legal issues during the export process. Compliance with these regulations is not just a legal obligation, but also a critical component of maintaining the reputation and integrity of the livestock export industry. When exporting livestock via sea, selecting the right vessel is crucial to ensuring the safety and well-being of the animals. Livestock carriers are specially designed ships equipped to handle large numbers of animals over extended periods. These vessels vary in size and capacity, with some capable of transporting tens of thousands of animals in a single journey. The design of these ships includes multiple decks with ventilation systems, feeding and watering stations, and space allocation that allows animals to move freely while minimizing stress. Advanced ships may also feature climate control systems to maintain optimal temperatures, regardless of external conditions. The loading process is a critical stage in the transportation of livestock, requiring meticulous planning and execution to ensure the animal's safety. It begins with the animals being guided onto the ship via specially designed ramps that accommodate their natural movement and minimize the risk of injury. Lifts are often used for animals that need to be transported to higher decks. Throughout this process, trained personnel closely monitor the animals, using gentle handling techniques to reduce stress. Each group of animals is carefully placed in designated pens according to species, size, and weight, ensuring that the ship's capacity is used efficiently while maintaining animal welfare standards. Once the livestock is on board, maintaining their health and well-being during the voyage is a top priority. The ship's crew, including veterinarians and animal care specialists, are responsible for providing continuous care throughout the journey. Feeding systems are automated to ensure that all animals have access to fresh food and water at all times. Ventilation systems are crucial in regulating airflow, preventing the buildup of harmful gases and maintaining a comfortable temperature. Regular monitoring of the animal's health is conducted, with protocols in place to address any issues that may arise. The crew is trained to respond swiftly to any signs of illness or distress, ensuring that the animals remain healthy throughout the voyage. Environmental and safety considerations are integral to the operation of livestock carriers. Effective waste management systems are installed to handle manure and other waste products, reducing the risk of pollution and maintaining hygiene on board. These systems are designed to minimize the environmental impact of the voyage, in compliance with international maritime regulations. Additionally, contingency plans are in place to address emergencies, such as equipment failures, severe weather conditions, or health crises among the livestock. These plans include emergency protocols for managing animal welfare, ensuring the safety of the crew, and minimizing any potential environmental damage. Upon arrival at the destination port, the livestock must go through a series of customs and quarantine procedures before being allowed into the country. These procedures are designed to prevent the spread of diseases and ensure that the animals meet the health and safety standards of the importing country. Quarantine officers inspect the animals for any signs of illness or distress, and documentation is reviewed to confirm that all legal and regulatory requirements have been met. In some cases, the animals may be required to stay in a quarantine facility for a certain period before being released. The unloading process is conducted with the same care and precision as the loading, ensuring the animals are safely and efficiently transferred from the ship to their final destination. Ramps and lifts are again utilized to guide the animals off the vessel, with trained personnel overseeing the process to prevent injury or stress. Once unloaded, the animals are transported to farms, markets, or other facilities, depending on the purpose of their export. Throughout this process, the welfare of the animals remains a top priority, with continuous monitoring to ensure they arrive in good condition. Livestock exportation by sea presents several challenges, including animal stress, disease outbreaks, and the logistical complexities of long voyages. Stress is a common issue, as animals are exposed to unfamiliar environments, confinement, and long periods of travel. To mitigate this, modern transport methods focus on improving animal comfort through better ship design, careful handling, and the use of calming techniques. Disease control is another critical challenge, particularly in the close quarters of a livestock carrier. Regular health checks, strict quarantine measures, and the use of vaccines help reduce the risk of disease transmission. Logistically, managing the transportation of thousands of animals requires precise coordination and planning. Modern technologies, such as GPS tracking, automated feeding systems, and real-time monitoring, are employed to ensure that every aspect of the journey is carefully managed. These solutions not only enhance the efficiency of livestock exportation, but also ensure that the animal's welfare is maintained throughout the process. To illustrate the success of modern livestock exportation, several real-life examples highlight the effectiveness of current practices and technologies. One notable case is the export of Australian sheep to the Middle East, where large-scale shipments of over 60,000 sheep have been successfully transported on specially designed livestock carriers. These operations showcase the careful planning and execution required to manage such large numbers, from the initial selection and health checks of the animals to their safe delivery across vast distances. In another case, Brazilian cattle were exported to Turkey using a combination of aircraft and sea transport, demonstrating the flexibility of modern logistics in adapting to different market demands and geographical challenges. Insights from industry experts and transport companies further emphasize the importance of innovation and adherence to best practices in livestock exportation. Experts often stress the value of investing in advanced technology, such as real-time monitoring systems and automated feeding mechanisms, to enhance animal welfare and operational efficiency. Transport companies that specialize in livestock exportation highlight the need for continuous training of staff and collaboration with veterinary professionals to ensure that the animal's health and well-being are prioritized at every stage of the journey. These case studies underscore the capabilities of modern transport technology in facilitating large-scale livestock exportation while maintaining high standards of animal care. In this video, we've explored the intricate process of exporting millions of sheep, pigs, and cows using modern transport technology. From the initial selection of livestock to the careful planning and execution of their journey by air or sea, every step requires meticulous attention to detail and a deep commitment to animal welfare. The use of specialized aircraft and large ships, combined with advanced logistics and real-time monitoring, has revolutionized the way we transport livestock across the globe. As we've seen in the case studies, successful large-scale exportation is possible through the integration of innovative technology and best practices, with valuable insights provided by industry experts. The future of livestock exportation looks promising, with continuous advancements likely to further enhance efficiency, safety, and the welfare of animals during transport. As global demand for livestock products continues to grow, the role of modern transport technology will only become more critical. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are interested in modern agriculture and transport technologies. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable insights and updates on the latest developments in these fields. Thank you for watching.